here's that steering shaft we're going to use. Dorman makes it 425-811. Comes with 2 bolts with the Loctite on it. There's a long one and a short one. All right, I noticed that this one is a lot thicker from Dorman. It's definitely full of oil, so it's slippery as anything. So let's see here. Looks pretty good. Got the Dorman brand name on it, and this, of course, flexes in and out. All right, we're going to go remove it. All right. This is a 12mm bolt down here. I wonder what the other one is. This one looks like a little smaller, but I think the factory one is they're both 12mm. So we'll see. We'll see if this is still a 12mm. And this one's got a smaller screw here. And of course, you notice they're not in the same exact order. So the bolt goes on this way here, but then you got to turn the steering wheel to get it to go this way. That's a pain in the butt. Why can't they just put it on the same side so that when you dial in the position, it'll be easy just to remove them at the same time. But now you got to remove one bolt like that, and you got to spin the thing around and get that one. Oh well, that's why I'm not the manufacturer. All right, let's do it. Well, it's definitely not easy to get in there, people. But yeah, you get up there to that shaft. Can't really film it for you up there. Take that bolt off. You can compress this down a little bit. Push this into the shaft, and then this will pull right out. This is the new one. I already pulled the old one out already, and I marked it on the little ground here to the center of the shaft. So I lined that up. I put that in first. I'm gonna raise this up and put it into the steering column. All right, it's not splined in a certain way, so make sure that the steering wheel is straight and everything doesn't move. Mark it as much as you can. All right, otherwise you might be off a couple of splines. The steering wheel will probably be a little off. All right, so the only way to get in here is with a flex ratchet. All right, so it's over there, right there, right in there. I mean, you could take this module out and start playing with that, but I don't like playing with anything electric in case I have to. Absolutely, positively, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna ratchet this side in. This is a 13mm with the new bolt from Dorman, and the one down there is a 10mm. All right, so I'm not gonna bore you with that either. Got to pull the mat down over here to get to it. Got to turn the steering wheel to get to the bolt to the other side. All right, so that's basically it. Let me finish tightening these things up for you. All right, there it is. It's not easy to get in here, people. Even with the chair all the way back, it's kind of impossible to get in there. But a flex head wrench helps a lot. All right. So the noise is not there no more. The nice clunking noise is gone. See, nice and quiet. Alrighty. Let's see if I can show you up here again. It goes up behind the module. There's the joint. Dun, da, da, da. And there it is up there. Alright, you can see the bolt through here, so to speak. Alright. That's it. Couple hours worth of work. Sweating like a dog. Got the fan going on. I'm not running. I didn't want to run the car with the AC on because I didn't want to mess up anything there. But that's it. All right. So put it all back together, and you're good to go. All right. Thanks for watching, folks. Ciao. All right, the hardest part is getting the wheel to be perfectly straight like it was before. Like I said, there's no master spline in that, so you could be off by 1 or 2 little splines and the wheel's going to be off. So just take the car for a nice road test, figure out exactly whether the wheel has to go left or right, okay? And then take the bolt off the universal joint, off the one off the steering column. because that way you could pull the shaft down a little bit like that. Okay, just pull the shaft down and then turn it, the wheel, to match the spline, and then put the spline back on. All right, that's the best way to do it. All right, over and out. We're done. Thanks for watching. Ciao.